I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a door handle. First, gather your essential tools like a Phillips head screwdriver and a trim removal tool. You will also need a new replacement door handle. Having a small flathead screwdriver and a clean cloth nearby will make the process smoother. These simple items are all you need to get started on this easy repair. Now let's remove the old handle. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel with your trim removal tool. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips. Once the panel is loose, disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for power windows. Finally, unscrew the bolts that secure the old door handle, typically found around the handle assembly. With the old handle removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new door handle into the opening, aligning it correctly. Secure it firmly using the bolts you removed earlier. Next, reconnect all electrical wiring to the door panel components, ensuring each connection is snug. Before reattaching the panel, test the new handle to confirm it operates smoothly. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel. Make sure all the clips snap securely into place, giving it a firm push around the edges. Once the panel is back on, test your new door handle multiple times to ensure it functions perfectly and is securely installed. This simple repair can save you money and keep your vehicle looking great. And for a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.